Cleaning. Diamond can be taken apart for thorough cleaning. Remove the mouthpiece cap and move it to the side of the chamber. Then rotate the mouthpiece to the right and pull apart to disassemble. Remove the flexible adapter by gripping the end and tilting the top back. Your diamond should be cleaned once each week. Agitate all the parts in warm soapy water using a mild dishwashing liquid for 1 minute. Then soak for 10 minutes. Rinse and shake out excess moisture and let air dry. When the parts are dry, reassemble diamond by aligning the mouthpiece onto the chamber. Rotate to lock. Replace the mouthpiece cap. Place the flexible adapter onto the chamber and push until it snaps on securely. Weekly, agitate the mask in warm soapy water for 2 minutes or soak for 10 minutes. Rinse and air dry. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your healthcare professional.